Let's make a super quick and easy summer side dish. Grab about 3 cups of green beans, 1 white or yellow onion or shallots, whatever you like, chop roughly. Throw them into the beans. We're going to mix in some sun-dried tomatoes, and you can use canned or from your local Olive Bar. I'm using the Olive Bar. Grate in the zest of 1 lemon and then squeeze in the juice of half of the lemon. Throw in about 2 tablespoons olive oil, about a teaspoon of salt, black pepper if you like. You don't need anything more than this, but if you have herbs lying around that you want to blend in, go ahead and do that. Throw this into the oven at 450 for about 20 minutes. You can also throw this onto the grill while you're waiting for other stuff to happen. I love grilled tofu. This is a great side dish for that. Enjoy.